In manufacturing, some of the biggest costs are hiding in plain sight, on clipboards and in spreadsheets. Manufacturers can save millions by digitizing their data capture. And they aren't alone. One WEF report found digital transformation can slash operational costs by up to 20%. Over 5 years, these initiatives are projected to cut manufacturing costs by an average of $63 million. How do you get from paper stacks to these massive savings? We'll show how digitization attacks costs at their source. The journey starts by replacing the old system. Paper logs and disconnected spreadsheets aren't just slow, they're expensive. Consider the hours spent on manual entry or searching for documents. This is direct labor cost spent on low-value tasks. Worse than being slow, manual data is prone to errors. Correcting these mistakes is a major drain on company resources. So, what's the real effect of automation here? One study found that implementing an automated system reduced data entry errors by 75%. By removing these manual burdens, digital tools immediately streamline the entire production flow and eliminate bottlenecks. This is done with technologies like IoT sensors and smart machinery that collect data in real time, without human intervention. But reducing errors is only reactive. What if you could use data to prevent massive costs before they even happen? This is the power of predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for a machine to break, data analytics can foresee potential failures. This data visibility means you can efficiently schedule maintenance at the perfect time, preventing failure and production losses. The same principle applies to materials. Digital tools permit precise tracking of material flow from procurement through production. This granular data helps optimize inventory and highlights areas of waste. These insights can significantly slash raw material costs. Finally, there's energy. Real-time monitoring can detect consumption abnormalities, allowing prompt interventions that cut costs. Predictive maintenance, material savings, energy efficiency. It all sounds good in theory. But what about the real-world numbers? Using Alpha Transform, Igloo digitized quality control audits, eliminated paper, improved accuracy, and achieved estimated cost savings of $14,500. Alpha software cites 80% productivity improvements, inspections cut by over an hour per task, and significant time-labor savings when moving off paper. This aligns perfectly with industry-wide reports. The 20% operational cost reduction is achievable when these systems are implemented correctly. The long-term prize is even bigger. Projections show cost reductions in the millions over a 5-year period, proving this is a sustainable strategy. These results are incredible. But is it as simple as installing sensors? Not quite. The real power is in how the data is managed. Data from different machines and departments must be integrated into a central system. This prevents information silos. When data is integrated and accurate, you can finally see the whole picture, spot hidden trends, and identify potential issues faster. It's a cascade effect. Accurate data capture leads to reliable integration, which enables powerful analytics that drive cost-saving decisions. Without this foundation of data quality, the advanced tools can't deliver their full value. The strategy is just as important as the tech. Let's connect the dots. Remember predictive maintenance? That ability is impossible without the high-quality, integrated data we just discussed. And that 75% reduction in manual errors we saw earlier? That's the bedrock of trust, allowing a company to make million-dollar decisions. It's a virtuous cycle. Digitization eliminates errors, building a trustworthy data foundation that unlocks strategies for massive ROI. So the path from clipboard to multi-million-dollar savings isn't a single leap. It's a process. Fix the foundation, then use the data. The evidence is clear. Shifting from paper to digital data is a fundamental financial strategy that turns operations from reactive to proactive. We've seen how it can reduce operational costs by 20%, eliminate 75% of data entry errors, and deliver real savings. For plant managers and operations executives, this means gaining unprecedented control over your costs based on real-time facts. The cost of inaction is measured in wasted materials, downtime, and correctable errors. Start by finding the biggest data bottleneck on your floor.